Hi guys, welcome back. Monday afternoon. Just finished work and thought I'd pop down here, have a pot noodle and do a little bit more to the car. So today, I'm still waiting on the bodywork, the body panel at the back to come. But what I thought I would do was do this panel here, which is an infill panel. You can see that, an infill panel that goes in here. It's not long enough. It was fouling at the bottom because it's a pattern part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to join a little bit in the middle. I ordered my screw fix stuff. Hopefully I should pick that up. It should come to me tomorrow. And I can get back grinding, because there's a lot of grinding. Anyway, roll the credits. So I worked through my lunch, came back, down to my unit, boiled the kettle and put in a Bombay bad boy. Oh yeah, a bit spicy, and I put the spicy sauce in as well. So that gives me something to work to. Now back to the car. Right, so I've already cut down with the angle grinder, cut the panel in half, and I've got to put a little join in this bit, so probably about, I don't know, probably about 5 mil, maybe 10 mil in there, because as you were shutting the door, what was happening, the bottom of the door was fouling on here. Right, so this is my piece of metal. This is going to get fixed in here like this, which will bring in line with the rest of the bodywork. I've got me in special clips, so I'll put one of them in. Okay, so I need a slither in there, a slither, probably 6 mil. I have to measure it, you'll see. That's my gap that I need to make up. So piece of metal, straight piece of metal, and then mark that in there. Yeah, that's it. It's not that bad. I can do that. I can do that. Right, so I've cut my piece to go in there, and now I'm going to form that round the same as this and weld it in. Sorry, what is it? Weld it in. Huh? This little copper block makes all the difference. Stops you from burning through panels. It's a must. I got this one the other day. This one's magnetic, but it gets too hot and magnets drop out. But it's all right for doing short stuff. This one's a beast. That's a lot thicker. The thickness of that one, thickness of that one. This one's a beast. It does the job. It enables you to actually do this without burning through the panel. Should tidy that up now. Unfortunately, I ain't got my belts. Anyway, that'll be all right for today. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. Fingers crossed the panel will come, and fingers crossed I'll get my screw fix order and I can start doing some more grinding. Cheers, speak to you later.